missing your body, missing your eyes, I'm missing the way you look at me. When you never love me, you never love me. What do you break my in peace?
Alright guys, here it is. It's the Vyper 3. It comes with a couple of different charge heads, I guess because it gets mailed out to different European countries. Guys, the Vyper 3 measures exactly 13 inches long. Alright guys, so in order to turn it on, you gotta hold this button down about 3 seconds and it lights right up. You push it again and you will get speed number 1. Push it again and you get level 2 and level 3 if you push it one more time. Let's take a quick look at how powerful this machine is. So I know what you're saying. Why go with an electric over a regular one? It's $40. This is $199. The reality is we've had a good time, but the Vyper 3, I'm ashamed to say this, she's just willing to do more things that you're not. Sorry, God.
Emotional damage.
So I guess the actual question now is it a must-have or a hard pass? Well, I wish it were that simple. See, it all comes down to what you already own. I own this, and this, and this, and yes, this one too. And to top it off, this one too. Let's also not forget about these guys. And even one of these. So is it a must-have or a hard pass? Well, in my case, it's a hard pass for me. But for instance, that foot massaging, I mean, I have a machine that's $345 I got at Costco, and this actually is so powerful, it does the same job. Even though it's $199, I'm actually gonna end up keeping it. The only thing that I don't really like is this plastic. Look at. It actually reminds me a lot of my coldest water bottle. It comes with this little plastic. See how it's already warped because of the hotness and it's coming off? So I got a feeling that that's gonna end up happening with this thing. But honestly, outside of that, it's well built. It's kind of weird, you feel a little air coming out from here. But honestly, I think it's a must-have, guys. Thank you for joining me. Just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below, guys. Help me get to that 1,000 so I can start getting paid for this stuff.
Emotional damage.